So we are still in Western North Carolina. We've actually been in this area for almost 3 weeks now, which is the longest we've been anywhere pretty much in the last year in the RV. So it's been kind of fun to slow down a little bit, at least slow down our travels. We've been doing a lot in this area though. There's a lot to do, but we've been kind of just staying in this one spot for almost 3 weeks. Feels kind of crazy. All right, so we're at the DuPont State Forest. There's a ton of waterfalls around here. It's kind of in between Hendersonville and Brevard, and it's only 20 minutes from the RV park. So taking a nice little hike today. I'm gonna go check them out.
Okay, so that was High Falls. Now we're going to Triple Falls.
Yes, and then another one. I don't know what the other one's called.
Waterfalls.
We'll find out. A lot of waterfalls.
A lot of waterfalls.
It's a waterfall kind of day.
Go. 1, 2, 3.
Very appropriately named Triple Falls.
Triple Falls.
Yeah, Gary can't count to 3, so at least we got that going for us. So unfortunately, the other waterfall we're going to is called Hooker Falls. But, you know, I guess it's fun.
I don't know. I think this one's my favorite. What do you guys think?
Yeah, is your favorite Hooker Falls, High Falls, or Triple Falls? Let us know in the comments. I think mine is High Falls. I'm not gonna lie, but
Yeah, that one's nice too.
So if you made it this far in the video, I would love it if you give this video a like and possibly subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, it's free.
Yeah, free to subscribe.
It's free to subscribe.
And it helps us out a boatload.
There's no excuse.
Yeah, no excuse. Subscribe. We're trying to hit 2,000 subscribers. So every week we share our RV life adventures with our cats. So the cats are another incentive. Help the cats get to 2,000 subscribers. So we actually have been here before. It's a really cool spot. It's called Mike's on Main, and it's basically like an old school soda fountain pharmacy, and it just looks probably exactly what it looked like back in the day, and it's really cool.
So the building used to be a pharmacy that opened in 1890, and I think was a pharmacy up until 1993, and then it was converted into like a restaurant. So
Diner thing,
diner, soda shop,
Yeah.
sandwich shop. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, worth visiting.
Yeah.
All right, we got our sweet potato fries with the ranch. Very important, essential item. All right, you can't come here without getting a malt shake. So we got a vanilla malt shake.
To share.
Yeah, 2 share. not 1 each.
So apparently they overmade our shake, so they gave us the rest of it, which it's
We're
almost like more like 2 shakes.
It's
than
almost like
one.
2, yeah, we're not mad about it.
Yeah.
And we got our fries. Really good. Alrighty, well, I'm not gonna lie to you. We sucked down those milkshakes in way too quick of a time and ate all those sweet potato fries. So it made us hankering for a walk. But luckily for us, this entire area, like at least Main Street, Hendersonville, is super cute.
Yeah, if you like old buildings as much as we do, this is a cool part of town to come to. It's
yeah.
like all these historic buildings and really awesome architecture.
Yeah, it's honestly super cute. So right now we're at a place called Mast General Store. If you watched our Boone video, you know we went to the original one in that video. I'll link it above. But this one is in downtown Hendersonville, and it's also in a really cool building. So we found something called the Mineral Museum, and it's free admission. So that's enough to get us to go in there.
This is kind of creepy. Where do we go?
He just told us to go in this building.
All right, well, I guess we're going down to this basement.
Open. We are open. This seems right. That was really confusing. There was no signs. Oh, look. What's going on in here, Garrett? Fluorescent minerals.
Welcome to the Mineral and Lapidary Museum's display of fluorescent minerals. Fluorescence refers to the property of, and they show richer, stronger, and more contrasting colors.
Okay, this is actually really cool. You had to go into like a creepy dungeon's basement, but it is really cool. You should get that in here, man.
So that was definitely really cool. Definitely worth the stop if you're
Yeah, just
in
a little
Hendersonville.
free thing on the side of the road, you know?
Yeah, you just have to come down this creepy dungeness basement thing.
Yeah.
And it's cool.
Once you get down there, though, you're good.
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, all that walking around made us thirsty. So we're at the Oklawaha Brewing Company. It's a cool building too, so. All right, so we spent a couple hours in Hendersonville, just walking around looking at the shops, the brewery, the restaurant, and all that kind of stuff. It's a really cute town. We definitely could have spent a lot longer here, but we're gonna go home to our cats now because we've been gone from them for far too long. When we left, we made this cute little blanket, little bundle for Nico to lay in. Of course, we came home and he's just laying here instead. Also, please ignore the dish towel on the window. So we don't have like a reflective thing, and it's pretty hot out right now. So we just threw a dish towel up there for now to keep it a little cool in here during the day. It's not great. I think we'll get something new for that. All right, so we are in Sliding Rock State Natural Area. Once again, another spot right near our RV. It's basically this like natural water slide. It's like 60 feet long, and it plunges into 50 or to like 60-degree water year round. It's not even that hot out today, but we might slide into it.
It's like 70 degrees out today.
It's 75, so it's like decently nice, but we're gonna see. Might be brave, might not. All right, so this concerns me a little bit. And apparently there's like 3 ways you can go.
Different speeds.
I might go slow,
Yeah.
if we're being honest. All right, I guess luckily they do give you like a little platform you can walk up where it's not slippery rock. So Garrett's gonna be brave right now and slide up it. We'll see how he does. He doesn't like being on display, and he is like majorly on display right now. There's an audience watching. Yay! Ah! So I guess it's my turn now. I am not as brave as Garrett. He always jumps into water. I ease into it slowly and painfully, so don't know how to do that with this, but I might dip in a little bit just so it's less of a shock when I slide down into it. So, what did you think?
It was good. I think I did it 3 times. I think that was enough for me.
Yeah, I did it twice, and that was good for me. If I would have done it a 3rd time immediately after my 2nd time, it would have been fine. But I kind of warmed up too much to do it a 3rd time, and I said no. But I did make Garrett do it 3 times so I could film him. The one time he thought I was filming him, so he did it, and I hadn't made it up to the platform yet, so he had to do it a 2nd time. So, oops.
Oh well, it was fun.
It was fun. Definitely worth going to for sure. So we bought $5 tubes from Walmart the other day, river tubes, so they should be pretty sturdy. And we found this beautiful little river spot right down the street from Sliding Rock. I mean, this whole area, there's so many pull-offs, so you can pretty much pull off anywhere and you're guaranteed to find a good spot. But it's not super hot, but it's kind of hot, so I think we're gonna test out our tubes. We're already wet, so from Sliding Rock, so we may as well. So in our last video, one of you guys suggested we come to Bold Rock Hard Cider when we're still in the Asheville area. We happen to still be in the area, so we are coming here, and so far so good. Today is a Wednesday, and they have $8 special burgers, so we got a burger to share and some cider, and it's a really nice spot.
So let's say, let us mix our ciders.
Yeah, they were like, there were so many different ciders to choose from, but they said a lot of people like to mix them with some of the dry with a little bit of the sweet, so I got the driest one they have mixed with a little bit of blackberry.
Yeah.
It is good.
It is really good.
Yeah. This whole place is really nice too. They have like a covered patio and then a bunch of other tables outside. Honestly, just 10 out of 10 spots. Huge area. Like you could fit millions of people here. It's a gigantic cidery. So when we were here, the special burger is the mushroom and Swiss. So I mean, it's mushroom and Swiss, and we got fries and ranch as usual, but it looks real good. This is a thick burger. We only got one to share. We weren't sure, but $8 for this. Huge.
Only on Wednesdays.
On Wednesdays.
Thursdays.
Yes. Thursdays. Yeah, it's Thursday. I lied earlier. I might have said Wednesday. Thursday. Come for the burgers on Thursdays, but it's gigantic. I'm not very daintily eating this. I'm sorry. Alrighty, that is it for this week's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We are in Western North Carolina for 1 more week, so we're excited about that. And then we're moving on up north for a little while. So anyway, we're gonna take Dwight for a walk and then cut in for the night. We hit that time of the day, which is always kind of around either the early morning or the evening before sunset, where He just wants to go on a walk, and he won't stop screaming at the door until he gets to go on one. And by walk, I mean mostly just him sitting on the ground like this, but he has fun. How you doing, buddy? This is one of Dwight's favorite things in the world. He just gets put up on the bed of the truck and just kind of hangs out up there. So we're going to leave you with that. We will see you guys next week.